All right, and swimmer is ready.
Roger. And copy in.
Roger, let's go easy back.
Easy back.
Easy back. Actually, we'll go back 10.
10.
Back 5.
Back 5.
And easy back.
Easy back.
4575.
Easy back. You're good altitude, good positioning.
Roger.
And hold position.
Hold.
All right, now if we could, let's go right 10.
Right 10.
Got you drifting forward slightly. Right 5.
Right.
Easy right. Hold position.
Hold.
Now let's go back 10.
Back 10.
Back 5.
5.
And hold position.
Hold.
Let's hold right here, sir. Swimmer's going down.
Okay.
And swimmer's 10 feet below the rail. Swimmer is 20 feet below the rail. Swimmer a little less than halfway down. If we could, just easy back.
Easy back.
Swimmer's going down. And hold position.
Hold.
Now let's go left 5.
Left 5.
Easy left.
Easy left.
Hold position.
Hold. Am I clear on the left hand?
You're clear on the left, yep.
Okay.
Probably got about 40 or 50 feet.
Okay.
And hold position.
Hold.
Let's go back 10.
Back 10.